Hi, scientists. Today we're going to be talking about animals and their needs. And we're going to be looking at this big book called Animals by Sophie Kabersky. We're not going to read all of it, just a part of it. All right, so the big idea for the beginning of this unit is how are animals alike and different? It says animals are alike and different in many ways. For example, dogs can be big or small, but all dogs have 4 legs. How are birds and fish alike and different? Right, so can you think of some ways? Fish live underwater. Birds fly through the air. Birds breathe air, and fish, they also breathe air, but they get oxygen through the water. Fish have fins, birds have feathers, lots and lots of ways they're different. And how are they alike? They are animals, right? They're both alive. They both need air to breathe. They both eat food. All right, let's keep going. This is the section we really want to talk about, and that is what animals need. So no matter how big or small, animals need food and water. Animals are alike in this way. In other ways, animals are different. Some eat plants for food. Some animals eat other animals. So over here it says the giraffe and the bird both drink water. Here's the little bird here, and here's the giraffe. The bird is little and the giraffe is big, but they both need water. They're alike that way. Over here it says the rabbit eats clover. A clover is a type of plant. And over there on the top there, it says this chameleon eats an insect. And I don't know if you can see, but at the end of his long sticky tongue, there's a fly. He eats other animals. Animals are alike and different in other ways too. Animals need shelter or a place to live or stay. So far their needs are food, water, and now we're learning about shelter, a place to live or stay. Different kinds of animals use different kinds of shelters. A nest is a shelter for some animals. A burrow is a shelter for other animals. A burrow is a hole in the ground. So over here it says, this robin's nest is made of plants. Have you ever seen birds gathering sticks and stuff and flying with them? They're taking them to different places. Some birds live in trees to make their nest to lay eggs and have babies. All right, and over there it says this squirrel lives in a burrow. And remember, the book just told us that a burrow is a hole in the ground. Some animals live inside the ground. All right, I'm gonna grab my little Post-it note here and make sure that's where I wanted to stop. And it probably is, because that's where I put the Post-it note. Yes. All right, so now to what I want you to talk about in your discussion board. So we learned that animals need food and water and shelter to protect themselves and their babies. I want you to think about a pet. It could be a pet that you have at home. I want you to think about what are the needs of your pet. Now, what if you're saying, Mrs. Bates, I don't have a pet? I got you covered. I want you to think about a pet you would like to have, and I want you to think about what kind of needs would they have to meet. So what kind of pet do you have, or what kind of pet would you like to have if you don't have any pets? And what are some of the things that they need? So in your discussion board, you're going to tell me the pet and some of their needs. Remember, needs, food, water, and shelter. Okay? All right, I can't wait to see what you write about. I'll see you later. Bye.